Om Swastiastu. First of all, the Honorable Mr. Lecturer of English Parallel 1 class of Udayana University, and also I would like to thank you to my fellow classmates for coming here and listen my speech. Thank you for your attend to this meeting, and I hope we are all in the good health and happiness. Today, I would speak about drainage system. Currently, in the area of Bali, in the rainy season, many problems that arise caused by the rain, one of which is a problem that often occurs during the rainy season is flooding. Floods often occur due to high rainfall for a long time, so the soil cannot absorb too much water. High rainfall, the length of time it rains, and the lack of water infiltration are the cause of flooding in an area. One solution in overcoming the flooding disaster is to repair and make a good drainage system. Drainage is the manual or artificially removal of water masses from the surface or subsurface of a place. This disposal can be done by draining, dumping, or diverting water. Irrigation and drainage are an important part in structuring water supply system. In agriculture and especially planning within the scope of civil engineering, drainage is limited as a series of water structure that function to reduce or remove excess water from an area or land, so that land can be used optimally according to interest in spatially planning. Drainage plays an important role in regulating water supply for flooding prevention. Drainage is also part of effort to control groundwater quality. The stability of drainage system has an important role in controlling excess flow at the surface. Its function include the first, drying of water glut areas, control and accumulating of runoff due to excess rainwater, control the erosion, root damage, and damage into infrastructure, management of water quality. Next type of drainage. Until now, there are several type of drainage now, namely, based on the construction, there are two types drainage, namely open channel drainage and closed channel drainage. Open channel drainage is generally made to collect and drain rainwater. In this city, this open channel drainage is lined with concrete masonry, but on the outskirts of the city, open channel drainage is not given to protective layer, while closed channel drainage is drainage made for dirty water channel that have the potential to interface with environmental health. This type of drainage is sustainable for use densely populated area. Based on its function, there are two types of drainage, namely single-purpose drainage, which drains only one type of wastewater, and multi-purpose drainage, which drains several types of waste alternately or mixed. Based on the location of the channel, there are two types of drainage, namely surface drainage and underground drainage. Surface drainage, that is above the ground surface, function to drain surface runoff water, while underground drainage function to drain runoff water through channel below the ground surface, so that the ground surface can be used for other purposes, for example, for the field or garden. Several technical factors cause disruption to drainage, which can lead to flooding. The first, not yet optimal, because in terms of the dimension of the channel, it does not meet the water discharge when it rains. The slope of the channel is not ideal, which causes the sedimentation process to be faster, so that it reduces to dimension of the wet cross section of the channel. The next, many utilities such as water pipes, electric cable, telecommunication cable that the block of flow of water. There are several solutions to prevent disruption to drainage, which can to flooding. The first, adjusting the dimension of drainage channel according to the rainfall and the inundation area. Next, make the slope of the channel is accordance with the flow of water that flows. Created a special channel that is intended for utilization. Use a type of construction that has high resistance and water resistance, such as the use of reinforced concrete instead of masonry. And last, socialization and setting up of garbage catching nets. And then I hope what I'm delivering today can make us care about our environment, because the good environment has the good effect to our health. Thank you very much for your attention today, and I'm sorry for any words unpleasing you. Om Santi 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 Om. Thank you.